You just spent thousands upgrading your kitchen, finished that basement, or added a new deck. But guess what? Your insurance company doesn't know a thing about it, and that could cost you big. Renovations can add value, beauty, and comfort to your home. But if you don't tell your insurance carrier, your coverage might be stuck in the past. Many homeowners assume their policy updates automatically with these changes. But guess what? It doesn't. Let's break down what's at stake and how to make sure your renovations are fully protected. So let's get started. Renovations increase the value of your home. Whether it's a new kitchen, bathroom, or room addition, your policy coverage may no longer reflect the true cost to rebuild. That means in the event of a fire or a major disaster, you could be underinsured and footing the bill out of pocket. Even smaller updates like new flooring, upgraded appliances, or smart home tech can impact your policy. Renovations can also increase liability risks like a new pool, deck, or outdoor kitchen. So, it's important to make sure your home policy is up to date. Now, that leads me to inspections. I will talk more in detail about inspections in my role of inspection and insurance video, but allow me to explain how inspections work when it comes to renovations. After making home improvements, some insurance companies will trigger an inspection to make sure your new upgrades are in line with your existing coverage, not just for risk, but also for the home value. The key here is they want to make sure your policy reflects the new version of your home. Now, most of the time, the inspection is done by a third party, not the insurance agent. They won't enter your home. They will take exterior photos of the roof, siding, and property layout. Some carriers use a digital app which will ask you to submit interior photos of key areas, like the heating system, AC unit, water heater, and electrical panel. They may also request photos of a newly added deck or pool. Now, if these updates aren't on file, your coverage may fall short on a claim. Now, the question becomes, when should you notify your insurance agent? And here's a simple rule. If your renovation projects cost more than $5,000 or it changed the structure, use, or value of the home, contact your insurance agent right away. This includes the following: finished basement, remodeling a kitchen or bath, building a deck or patio, adding a pool, hot tub, or fence, replacing the roof or AC system, adding solar panels. Now, the agent will determine if the dwelling coverage needs to be increased or if an endorsement is needed, like water backup, equipment breakdown, or personal property adjustments. Now, let me give you a real-life story. A client called me excited about a brand new pool installation. I walked her through the process, and we updated her liability coverage and the overall value of her property. The extra step protected her in the event of an injury or damage related to the pool. Now, let's contrast that with another client who renovated his office with high-end tech, but he never updated his policy. Months later, a pipe burst while he was away. The insurer based the claim on the old coverage limit, leaving him thousands of dollars short. Now, we have two different outcomes, but the difference is one called me before the upgrades and the other called me after the damage. Now, let's make sure you're covered. Your home is your biggest investment. Don't let a renovation go unreported. If you updated your home recently or planning to, let's talk. I'll make sure your policy reflects your real coverage needs. And now, if this video spoke to you, please share it with someone who might benefit from the content. And be sure to like, share, and please subscribe to the channel for more practical tips. And as I like to say, call Jay today. Thanks for listening.